I don't know
Okay,
anything about you. Would you like to introduce yourself?
of course. My name is Satya and I'm from Aurangabad, Bihar. I'm English teacher. I have my offline class in my district and I did graduation. Now I am pursuing a master in English and I'm fond of watching movies. This is my short introduction.
Like what kind of genre that you like to watch more? Action, thriller.
Mostly I like thriller movie and mysterious movie from
Okay.
South industry.
Oh, from South. I'm glad to hear that. Okay, what is the last movie that you have watched recently?
Last movie I have watched Pushpa 2 because I don't get much time to watch every movie.
Okay. What do you think about the movie?
Pushpa 2.
Yeah.
Oh, I think in this movie we can get many lessons and we can utilize in our life. I'm not saying that in our life we have to kill someone, but we
Right.
can take some good lessons from this movie. As like we should be live like warrior. Warrior means we should not feel ourselves. You can say backwards from anyone. Uh, we should have courage to take any difficulties, to tackle any problems, and we should have also sense of humor. In correct time, we can use it, and also uh, the work we do, we should proud on that work. Okay, yeah, I am doing great.
I just watched the movie, but I didn't observe all the things that you have mentioned. Okay. It's
Mhm.
really great that you are you are watching the movie in a other perspective. Everyone used to watch the movies for entertaining purpose or else enjoying the songs like that. But your
Mhm.
perception is completely different. Nice.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions to ask me, or else do you have any topic to discuss?
Mhm. So you have started your YouTube journey from where? From when you are working on it?
I just started working in this month itself, January 1st onwards. I just started writing scripts and started searching about the learners' problems, how the English beginners struggling to improve their English. What are the reasons? I found the reasons and I started
Hmm.
working upon it. And 1 week back, I just created my YouTube channel and started posting videos.
1 week ago you have started. Oh, good.
So,
So
are you a YouTuber?
I have also started my YouTube channel past Saturday. Uh, I have I think before 6 days ago, and tomorrow will my also 1 week. Today it is six.
We both are on the same page, I think so.
Yeah. So I
Yeah,
am also
good
uploading
doing
some
great.
conversational videos.
Okay. Do you want to do any solo videos in your channel?
No, I don't want to upload any solo video.
Like you started conversational videos and you interacted with many people, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Like what you observed, what is the main problem that the people are not able to improve their communication skills or else spoken English, whatever they're working upon? What are the main causes for it?
Okay. Before interacting people from this application, I have been also teaching for 3 years, so I have observed many things which we can use in our life, and we can enhance our English speaking. Okay, just like most of have confusion that when I will be good at in English grammar, when I will be good at in English vocabulary, then I will start speaking. But I don't think that after doing all these things, we will able to speak English, because speaking is different area and grammar and word meaning is different thing. Uh, but when we start speaking, so it needs to make sentences fast, and Without speaking, we know grammar, we know vocabulary, but we don't use in our spoken. You can say at good time, we stuck in words, we are stuck in framing the sentence. So when we do practice, we can enhance ourselves, and so we can do better in a spoken.
Okay. That means instead of mugging up the grammar, you are suggesting the beginners to start speaking on day one onwards.
If you have basic knowledge in grammar, if you know informal grammar, informal grammar means some basic topics of grammar, just like tense, voice, modals, and some basic uses. So you can start from day one.
Yeah, got it. And what do you want to ask anything?
Yeah, of course. So, did you schooling from Hindi medium, yeah, your medium, yeah, in private, it means English medium?
So I am from English medium, but I don't have any environment where I can find the people who is speaking in English. Even though my
Hmm.
teacher used to teach all the subjects in our own regional language itself. Even though it is English medium, we always used to speak in our regional language itself.
Yeah, yeah, it happens. But most of us have confused that when we read in private school, when we read in you can say English medium school, then we will start speaking English fluently. But I don't think that
No, even
without
I don't
practice.
agree to. Yeah, even I don't agree to that because
Hmm.
the medium, in the sense, whatever the medium that you are in, the thing is like we need to find the environment around us. Then only we can interact. Then only we can talk to the people in English. Otherwise, there is no use. Even though if you are English medium or Telugu medium, what are the medium that you are studying?
Hmm. Yeah, medium. I don't think medium matters a lot. Yeah, some matters, but being fluency to gain fluency, practice matters a lot.
Yeah. And I have a one question. Like, I can able to talk a casual conversation and general conversation when it comes to any topic related thing or concept
Hmm.
wise. If I want to talk, I'm not able to speak that much fluently as I discussed in general topics.
Hmm.
So that,
Hmm.
what are the tips that you will give to a beginner to intermediate level of speaker?
Hmm. Because of content information, as we know, if someone tells me you have to speak something about Donald Trump. If I have no any information of Donald Trump, then I can also not speak in Hindi. So content information is also necessary when we talk on any particular topic. Without content information, we can't talk in Hindi as well as in English.
Yes.
It
My
matters.
context and the knowledge, lack of knowledge, we are not able to speak on the particular topic.
Hmm. Yeah, right.
And do you have a habit of reading books?
Since birth, I don't used to read any books, but when I teach the students of 11th, 12th, I have to teach English language also, English book also. So that time I teach English books, so I have to read it. And but in some time I also use you can say newspaper of English, but English book I mostly don't read.
Okay. Even I try to read a new English newspaper, but I'm not fond enough of reading anything because I felt like the newspaper is having advanced words I'm not able to pronounce, and I don't even know the meaning of the words that they are using in the headlines and the stories that they are writing.
Mhm.
So I just gave up and I started reading books.
Mhm.
And I started with the power of subconscious mind. Even though after completing one chapter, I just lose my interest towards reading the books. Even I always keep on listening to podcast or watching any video that works for me a lot instead of choosing a reading.
Mhm. Yeah, good. When we don't know Hindi meaning of the words and we don't get understand the words and sentences, we feel boring. while reading newspaper. It happens with everyone. But if we can, you can say, underline the words and underline the sentences we don't get understand. So after that time we can improve our understanding, because many of the words that are used in our life in newspaper.
Mm.
So I think we should read newspaper, and because without reading we can't improve our vocabulary.
Yes, yes,
uh,
that's true.
when we start remembering the words from dictionary, I think it is difficult to connect in our life.
Exactly. I need to implement the habit of reading, but it is very tough. Even though I'll just start reading to like to gather the vocabulary that I need. Because sometimes
Yeah.
we don't have any words in our mind. We don't know like what to speak next.
Hmm. Very good. Okay, so you are from I forgot what you told.
Hyderabad, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, so I want to know about Hyderabad. Which is the you can say favorite place where we can visit, and we can see some good thing.
Okay, there are a lot many places in Hyderabad, especially Charminar, Golconda. There are like ancient places that they have, and temples are most famous in Hyderabad. And there is a Necklace Road, Birla Mandir, and especially nowadays there is a famous temple like Yadgiri Gutta is also one of the famous temple. So there are a lot many places that we can visit.
Mm.
Fond of
Like that.
movies.